Kasur Kabri Unyotrap under the leadership of Vice Chairman Dunbok Langkarlingdo, Secretary Marbot Dakar and Publicity Secretary Charlie Rani on Friday had demanded from the government to make public the report submitted by the Inquiry Committee headed by retired Justice T. Vaifei into the death of late Chesterfield Tangkiu in the wee hours of 13th August 2021. Members of the organization later informed that they will once again resume their protest program should the state government not pay heed to public demand for justice into the death of the former General Secretary of the proscribed HNLC outfit. The members also visited the family of late Tangkiu to lend support to them in their fight for justice. Also present was one of the members of the women's organization of Maulai Kanton Masar, Patricia Sawian, besides residents of the locality.
Timenta bangin ong bangi bu por te ngi nam ong bangi bu por ndai ngi kwa ban ong kelai ke surkar phi kwa ban yi ngi sat na kamta kanika ban bapin publicize lani sanam taknika kai phon phi kwa ngi bangin mi surok bang bangin dawai ni kai phon kata kalau ngajing keli ke bangi bu kelai ya ka state government te suma haba kala dam ka inquiry la dap lengba chairman jongka makne mare commission justice T Vaifei retired justice T Vaifei suba shimno puleno lane penmana pa ba no ya ketu inquiry ke bali pilin nang li ai bang secretary political department hato don ai opini ai sakata ban ya white ing lane ban ya le correction lane ban ya tampot kata kalau kajing keli ke bandar yang jong kasul ke berinjo terap ngi kwa ban keli tilada i bakalong kumli kumtai kakelan ngi apil sya baro kipat ba jong berinjo terap long bala kre le se kumbang ngilami syamadan hakiti por bandawa bantokit mentangi haban mi sesekmat bandawa ban pelat no iya keneka report lane ya teka kakai pot ka ba u justice Vaifei ulang ai syaka
marka anyi kam sya marka anyi berhenti bawa urun siam ya kajim rai datang boleh bala ban siam ya kajim rai kini pat dak kabor dak kasor kan mendekat ya kan siam jong une kuon jong i banayeng tena kata kadau ngikum kilong kemi nang ni na pok nang keton masak ngin nom ai li ya kan ni bat ngin yang ya le persya kawe ke jingmot kawe ke buit kawe ke bong kum ba kini kun samla ki yang kum ta ya kata kanong rim ngir ngin kersian longkat balang jakat bejia ngin yak ngin poi sya katong bat ngin ap ya kata report ka ba ulai yok pediang na kata ka human right commission te balai pat kata por pelaj dan ayu syalandat bau buri kat ni udah ban sai madan siusdon lada umsing ngi kelong kemi ngem la sya bat nguat ya kejing sya hai bakadon batang dak kini kentian ngi kum kilong kemi ngi pensnyo tu bedal lelai ru nginom ailat bat ngiya cekman ban dan rangkat bat laki jong ki kon samla kumno bengin wat ya ka hok bat kejing sya